Hello, hello, hello! This is your Thai finish pero pusong Pinay! Maayong adlaw everyone! Yes, maayong adlaw na lang tayo, no? Although morning pa naman talaga dito sa amin kasi pag good morning ako tapos evening na pala kayo nanonood. Sige, good evening. Diara, once again, once and for all for one. Your Inday Karya is here back in my channel. Kumusta ang all? Todo kayod ang inyong Inday Beshi. Ang inyong Inday Karya. Kasi nga, from today onwards, ako na ang may hawak ng dalawang account. Hawak ko ang bit pati sa channel ni Coco Ems before, which is now Inday Karya Bella. Kaya kung hindi pa kayo subscribe dyan sa second account namin, please do subscribe naman po. Kasi yung ibang life updates namin, doon nyo po mapapanood sa Inday Karya Bella. Kumusta ang inyong mga life updates sa inyong mga buhay-buhay dyan? Ayos ba ang all? Kasi kung kami, ayos na ayos ang all, mga Zay. Eto na po ang inyong Inday Beshi. Nag-ano ako, mga Zay. Dito ko na lang sinampay kasi konti lang. Sayang yung kuryente pag konti lang, mga Zay. Although, hindi naman talaga ganun kamahalan ang kuryente dito, no? Especially pag summer na maliwanag. Pag winter yun, medyo mas mahal ang kuryente pag winter, mga Zay. Kay anong tawag nitong madilim pero ganitong tirik ang araw at summer, mahaba ang araw namin, medyo mura ang kuryente. Minsan, pinakamalaki na nababayaran ko pag ganitong summer, no, 50 euro. Magkano yung 50 euro? 2,000 plus. So, okay na yun, no? Pag winter naman, so far, ang pinakamalaki kong nabayaran is 125. Nagdoble, di ba? Ano pa nga plus 60% pa nga pag winter, mga Zay. Pero pag ganito talaga, na makakatipid ako, tawag nito, hindi ko na nilalagay doon sa dryer natin. So, yan. Life situations, life updates niyo dyan. Okay ba ang all? Ayos ba ang all? Si Inday Karya. Ayos naman si Inday Karya. Despite all the challenges, despite na may mga problema, kanya-kanya tayong problema, oy. I don't think na mayroong taong walang problema dito sa mundo. Sino sa inyo ang walang tao? Walang tao. Walang tao ang bahay. Walang tao ang problema. Sino sa inyo yun? Sino sa inyo ang mga walang problema dyan? Itaas ang inyong mga paa. Isabay-isabahin yung itaas ang inyong mga paa. Tignan ko kung hindi kayo magka-problema, kung sabay-sabay yung itaas yung mga paa nyo. Problema, good talaga yan. Anyway, pinapatawa ko lang kayo. Natawa ba kayo? Ako hindi eh. ay, diara, Inday Karya. Nang ano na naman sila kayo. Si Bella, ang dami niya ng mga damit na hindi na naman magkasya. Alam niyo yung mga panty na binigay ni Mami Jazz na sobrang dami. Yung iba, hindi pa nagamit. Napagliitan niya na naman. Kaya binilhan ko na siya ng medyo malalaki. 110 na ang size niya ngayon kasi itong mga bigay ni Mami Jazz. Ano may size ni Mami Jazz? Ito ata yung, basta maliit yan starter ata yan Kaya, tawag niyan, pag sinuot niya, hinuhubad niya, kaya, na siguro siya, nasasaktan siguro yung singit niya ba, na iipit, kaya tinatanggal niya. Anyway, bakit ba panty ang pinag-uusapan natin dito? Ako nga noon, nung bata ako, wala akong panty. Pumapasok sa school, walang panty. Ganun! Tapos maglalaro ng Chinese garter. Ay, magpakatotoo na tayo, no? Magpaka-real talk na tayo dito, mga Zay. Yun ang totoo, Nangyari, Pero nangyari ang nangyari. Huwag na nating ibalik. Huwag na nating muling ibalik ang mga kahapon, mga Zay. Past is past. What's important is that we have learned from the past. We have learned from all of those experiences. At importante, yung mga bagay na hindi maganda na nangyari sa atin, huwag nating gawin sa iba, huwag nating iparanas sa mga anak natin to the next generation. Diara, her family kuratsa kuris. Ang aming Mino Science of the Day, eto na. Yan. Yung munggo na naharbat ko, and eto rin na naharbat natin. Frinozen ko yan. So, yan. Simplihan lang ang buhay.
Lalagyan natin ng apple yan.
Lalagyan mo ng apple yan. Ito, may kamatis dito. Kamatisan natin dahil sobrang dami ng kamatis na naharbat ko kahapon. Ito ang ilalagay natin. Alangan man sa dugdili. Ito mga Zay. Kinamatisang munggo. Ayan. Lagyan natin ito, ha?
Okay, bakit kaya nagtutulog?
Oo nga sa ilalim ng namin, fridge namin.
Inspection din natin.
Doon sa ilalim, nagtutubig. Hindi ko, baka barado nga, Dad. Hindi ko maintindihan bakit. Or baka kailangan, oo nga, Dad, hindi, baka puno yung sa ilalim. Kasi normally may ano yan sa ilalim, di ba? Na natatanggalin mo, tapos may tubig sa ilalim. Ayun, andun yun eh. Ay, sige, tanggalin mo yan. Ayun yung filter niya eh.
Diyan.
Asa na ba yun?
Ayun o.
Ayun oh, nandun. Parang ang nag-ice, parang naka-block. Kaya dyan siya tumutulo. Can you check? Check. Buti na lang. Aray! May galit kaya sa akin eh. Yung totoo. Ha? Charot lang. Hiwa ako ng mga panakot. Ready na yung ating mga sangkap. Ito na lang, papalambutin lang yan para matawag nito, gisa. Ilalabas ko muna saglit si Bella kasi nabuburyong din yan dito sa loob ng bahay. Pumunta kami sa forest. Mag-boots ka? No, bring this one. You wear boots. We're going in the forest. We will go to the forest. Oo, Daddy, lagyan mo nga, Daddy. Oh, wear this one. Where's the other one? Huwag ka makulit. Where's the other one? Ha? Helmet? Dili, mag-helmet. Mag-helmet ba itong forest? Para tayong shoemix nito, Inday. You wear hat. No, we will go to the forest, Mangkaha. You want to go forest or no?
Wanna go forest? No.
Ha? We go forest or no? No? We're
No?
not going?
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
bye. Yung pinag-jacket ko, saglit lang, ilabas ko lang saglit to. Kay, nag-ano din, oh, lagyan nito. Where the ice cream?
Nice.
Kung ano nung naiisip eh. Dito sa loob ng bahay. Ayun.
Go forest.
Go forest tayo. Belan, mami, go.
Bye.
Inda.
See you soon.
See you.
Open.
May tsura mo. Wala, medyo pinag-boots ko na lang kay baka may mga ano. Yung damo na makakatiba. Kanina nga eh.
Saan mo na yung basura? Kung ganda.
Oo nga, doon nga kami dadaan. Dali na. Tungtuwa na naman si Bruha.
Siya bomba dati.
Wala eh. Dati, ano ngayon nga, diretso baba na eh. Let's throw this garbage first, okay?
Bye, Bella.
Bye, Daddy. Say bye to Daddy.
Bye.
Wala na. wala nang lingon-lingon. Say, see you soon, Daddy. Huh? Where are we going, man? Asa naman to? Huh? Yeah, Daddy will work later. Okay? Nag-cook pa man si Daddy ng food, ng munggo. Actually, ako man magluluto ng pagbalik ko. Dito lang, ilakad-lakad ko lang sa dito. Yes. Huh? Bella, what you doing?
I'm working.
You're walking. Akala ko anong ginagawa mo eh. You're walking pala. Tapon muna natin tong basura natin. Bakit yung shirt ko parang basta umupo ako dun sa carpet?
It's a bird.
What color is the bird? Color?
Oh,
Oh,
look.
you scared the bird. Huwag ka mag-throw sa garbage. Wala talaga, tumangkad siya na pumayat. Pero mas lalong dumaldal. As in, sobrang daldal. Dami nang alam sabihin. Nakikipag-away sa kuya niya. Stop it! You go there, Miggy. I don't like it. May pag ganun-ganun na yan siya. Oh. Come. We will go to the forest? Huh? Want to the forest or no? Talaga naman to. Oh, which way man? Which way we will go man to the forest? There. Oh, to the forest. Alam niya rin saan dadaan talaga eh. Okay. You're going to find what are you going to find man? Ha? Ano hanap man natin dyan? Find tayo ng let's go this way, Inday. This way. Hindi pa tayo nakakapunta dito sa way. That way. This way man daw. Marunong man po magmami this way. Ha? I spy dayon, dali. I spy. My little eye. Something green. Huh? Where's the green? Oh, careful. Oh, hold si mami, dali. That's green. And there's flowers also. But where's the bunny? Hi, bunny. Nawa na, naghap-hap na ang bunny. Uwa na good. Hop the bunny. Hop.
Where'd the bunny go?
Where'd the bunny go? Look for the bunny. Bunny, where are you?
Bunny.
Where's the dinosaur?
No dinosaur.
No
Where's
dinosaur?
The bunny?
Where's the bunny only? Let's find the bunny.
Mommy's way.
This way. Yes, we will go that way. The bunny, where are you?
Bunny, where are you?
Hello, bunny. Call mo yung bunny, dali. Or call the bear. You want to see a bear?
Oh,
Ha? Munsa man ang bear? Be, munsa man ang bear, be? O kanang dinosaur? Kanang dinosaur, munsa man? Ha? Munsa ng dinosaur, day?
so
Munsa man dinosaur.
Look at that.
Kanang doggy na lang. Kanang doggy. Munsa man ang pag-walk ng
Mommy.
doggy.
Mommy,
Ha? Yes.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Ha?
I'm okay.
Ayaw, di na kay basa, di na. Not there, it's wet man dyan. Dito lang, dito sa side na to. We go straight there. Yeah. Shush. Careful ha. Careful, you will fall. Ano sa man na?
I do.
It's roots. Ano sa na? Roots.
I do.
Mhm.
Food.
O sige, go straight there lang. Mag-walking-walking lang tayo. Huwag tayo pumasok doon. Diretso lang tayo. Kanina pa to gustong lumabas talaga eh. Ayan, gusto lang atang ma-refresh. Masarap din dito sa ilalim ng mga forest mga zay maglakad-lakad. Huh? Did you see the bunny? Huh? Where's the bunny? Oh, careful. Careful. Be dance daw there. Dance daw there. Sige, dali, dance. Huh? Up, ponytail. Up. Up, ponytail. Does Bella know how to dance? Do you know how to dance?
I don't move. I don't want it.
Where are we going, Bella?
Where's the go?
Oh, not that one. Not that one kay Maauchi ka, ana.
Look.
Ay, not there. Only here lang.
You're there.
No, don't go over there. It's not good. You will fall. You will have ouchie in your knees and in your tawag nito, head. Come. Let's go straight over there.
Look away.
Huh? Careful, Bella. Careful.
Away.
Ayaw na ng leaves. What color is that, man?
Yellow.
Yellow? Where do we go, man?
Go.
Huh? Oh, no. Don't pick up leaves lang. It's dirty. No, pick up the leaves. Ay, let's go home na. No pick up leaves. No pick up leaves. No pick up. Kay dirty, man.
Look. Shut.
No. Ay, Bea. Wag yun taan eh. Muskrima kasi talaga eh.
I don't go okay. Like this.
Where are you going, man? There's a bee. There's a bee over there. Be careful. Be careful kay na ay bee.
Shut.
Oh, call the na lang. You call the bunny. Call the bunny and the T-Rex. Call the bunny, the T-Rex, and the bear. Bear, where are you? Bunny, where are you? Wala man tayong ma-hunt dito na bunny, Inday. Hindi rin tayo pwedeng mag-hunting ng bear. No, Bella. Ay, naku. Ano mga pinupulot nitong batang to? Throw away. Inday, you throw that one away. Ganito man yan. Pag nagpumasok to sa daycare, magaganito yan sila. Magkakaroon sila ng excursion na ganito. Magwo-walk in the forest yan sila. Kaya mag-i-enjoy talaga to. Careful. Let's go straight over there. Let's go home na. Huh? Go home na, Bella? Go home? Okay, magluto pa si Mama. That way? What are you going to do there, man? There's nothing that way. Nilalamok na ako mga day. Naka-shorts lang ako eh. Dami na lamok. Lalaki pa na lang lamok, Inday. Lusot ng forest na to. Diyan na sa Kiraba, yung sa Rusta na pinupuntahan namin. Yan, yun na yung way papunta na doon mga day. Ano na yun eh, highway na yung lusot nito dyan eh. Maliit lang naman kasi to na forest. Hindi naman to malaki. Mini lang ang tawag nito mga day. Careful anak ha, kasi madaming ugat-ugat ng kahoy. Baka matumba ka. This way lang ga, this way. Bella, this way here. Let's go this way. Okay, pabalik na tayo doon.
Look, machine.
Careful ha, careful.
This way.
Yeah, this way. Kasi may mga ugat-ugat. Careful ha. Careful, Bella, careful. Good job. Nook. Makanok ka ron ha. Careful, careful. Gusto niya talaga yung ganito. Naglalakad-lakad kami. Masasanay din to kahit ako mga zay. Parang gusto ko na, nasasanay na rin ako dito sa Finland na hinahanap-hanapin mo ba na gusto mong maglakad-lakad sa forest. Ganyan. Ha?
Bye-bye.
Butterfly.
Hi, bye-bye.
Hi, butterfly. Oh, catch butterfly. Catch a butterfly. Yun yung butterfly.
Look, it's just a paper.
Bye, butterfly. It fly away. Fly away na butterfly. Let's go that way.
Bye 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 bye.
Bye-bye, butterfly. We're going this way. Oh, sige na, dali. Oh, dito kay may putik dyan. Huwag ka dyan sa putikan.
Yum.
Where are we na? We're lost na. We're lost in the wilderness, in the forest.
Mommy.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go that way there. Fly,
Mommy,
fly,
there.
butterfly. Yes, go there.
Up there.
Kala mo talaga alam na alam niya eh. Talagang kabisado niya tong forest na to eh. Siya pa nagtuturo kung saan kami dadaan eh. No? Kala mo alam mo no? Basta naman na tayo nito. Here, this way.
Grass.
Dito. Grass. Yes, dito sa may daan ka. No, wait. Dito ka daan kasi may putik. Yan. Where are we na? We're lost. Huh? Bea is lost na. Where are we, Bella? Where? Magaling din sumunod ng mga diba? Yung daan. Oh. Pantay. Here. This way. Careful. Galing na eh. Talagang hindi na nadadapa eh. Oh, what's that? It's a stick? Oh, careful ha. Careful lang. Gusto nito mag-trekking. Trekking ang peg nito ni Belaling. Yeah. Yeah, the tree. Yung tree yung tree naputol yung tree. Nyaam. Get up. Nagkayuring lang kaday. Alam mo ba yung nagkayuring lang? Ayan may mushroom na inday. Oh, look, there's a mushroom here. Mushroom, what's that? It's a mushroom. Yes. Yes, it's a mushroom. You want to go pick up mushroom? Huh? We will pick up the mushroom later.
Get the mushroom there.
Get the mushroom there. Wala man sa taas yung mushroom. Nasa grounds man yung mushroom. Careful. Ha? Gubat na talaga tong dinaanan nating dalawa ba? Sige na. Ayaw pa magpahawak. Hold lang si Mami.
Come here.
Dahil na show you ano sinasabi eh. Wala na tayo sa daan. Ha? This way. Wala na tayo sa daan nito. We're lost na. Ha? Where's Bea and Mommy? Ha? We're lost. Bea and Mommy is lost na. Oh no, Daddy, help! Daddy, Kuya Miggy, help! Bea and Mommy is lost. Oh. We're here. We're back. Yay, we're safe.
Daddy, help.
Yes, help Daddy. Now we're safe. We're going back there na. Very good. Ay, bata. Okay na yan siya. Happy na yan siya mga Jake. Nakalakad na sa forest. Dili, ready dyan. Oh, see? I told you. Maslide ka. No, not there. Shush, kaya mo layat-layat mang gyud. Bata talaga. Uy, bird. What was that? It's a bird. Come. Meron kami nakita dito mga Jake. Ano kaya to? Baka may nakatago dito. Sinuksok lang. Ganunin lang natin. Baka mamaya pinunas ng sipon to. Okay. Huh? No, not mushroom. I was wondering what was that. I thought it was a cue. It's a clue or a letter. Minsan kasi sa mga forest mayroong mga nagtitim building ba. Tapos baka clue yun, naiwan doon. Yun pala tissue. Yung mamaya ginamit yun sa sipon. Nilagay doon. Patay tayo dyan. Ha? Grass? Yes. Oh, let's go na.
Is it grass?
It's a grass. No, don't touch it because maybe it's a poison and you will have a ouchie. No, don't touch it lang. Okay? Because Bella is a big, Bella big girl. Big girl na si Bella. Shush. Put your hat kay para dili ma-cold. Are you happy?
Look.
What's that?
Look.
Unsa man na? Nook. Sige kami tigil-tigil dito.
Please.
Leaves. Well, let's go na. Come na. You're happy?
Show Daddy.
Oh, show Daddy. Kisa si Mami. I love you. I love you si Mami. Diyos ko. Love kayo ni mami ng buto ko niya eh. Oh my, you are my... Huh? You are my... You're my... Princess! Pokiki.
Mommy, get the rice.
No, not get that one. Kay it's dirty. It's yayaki. You want to give daddy flowers?
Okay.
Oh, this one. Let's get another one there. Maybe there's another one. This one, oh. You give one for daddy and one for Kuya Miggy, okay? This is for daddy. And this one for Kuya Miggy. Okay? Oh, this one daddy and Kuya Miggy, okay? Huh? Give to daddy and Kuya Miggy, okay? Say, okay, mommy.
Okay, mommy.
Yeah, I love you po.
Yeah, boo, boo.
Very good. Oh, come here. Let's add more flowers here. There's a blue one here. And this one for Kuya Miggy. And one more for daddy. No, one more for daddy. Yay! You want more?
Oh.
Huh? Okay. This one for Kuya Miggy. And daddy. Wow.
Whoa, look.
Oh. Oh, yeah. And then this one for daddy. Okay, let's do like this. Wait. Let's make two bouquet, okay? Wait.
Flowers.
Flowers.
Look,
Wait.
flowers.
Wait. Okay. Oh, bless you. Oh, this one is for Kuya Miggy and for daddy. Oh, sige na. Don't put it together. Yeah, you're happy na? You have flowers na for Kuya and daddy? You have pasalubong for daddy and Kuya? Be, bantay magdili hatag, be.
Sunday.
Yes, we're here. We're back. We're back already? Yes.
Sunday.
Yeah, you're excited? Excited daw. Yeah. Which one is daddy's flower? Which one is daddy and Kuya Miggy? Huh?
Get the flowers.
Yeah, give the flowers. No more na. That's enough na.
Oh, fruit.
Flowers.
Mommy, wow.
Wow, yes, it's wow. Let's pass this way na lang. Okay, mga 20 minutes din yung lakad-lakad namin. Diba? Ganun lang, naka 20 minutes. No? Happy na siya niyan, basta nakalabas na siya. Nakagala na, ha? Happy na yan si Bella. You will give that one, ha? Ha? Sige na, you go and give. Sige na, dali. Yeah, excited na to give the flowers to Kuya and Daddy. Good job, Bella. Very good girl. You love Kuya and Daddy? Love ni mo si Kuya and Daddy or no? Say yes po. Be, ang tao na to ihatag bagyod. Tingnan natin kung ibibigay niya talaga. Minsan kasi kalokohan lang to eh. Pero most of the time, very genuine naman. Siyempre bata yan eh. Hindi mo naman tuturuan niya na mag-act. Be. Tawagin natin yung dalawa. Oh, come, ma. Daddy and Kuya is here. Let's check. Open, Daddy. Daddy, Kuya. Bella has something for you.
Thank you.
I love you daw. Daddy. Ito. Tanggapin niyo muna. Miggy, come here. Come here, Miggy. Bella has something. Give to Kuya. Wait. Remove first.
Wow.
Make it serious.
It's yours. Say, I love you, Kuya. Say, I love you to Kuya. Hug first. Hug.
Daddy. Sexy.
Daddy.
Where's mine? Only small?
Hindi binigay lahat.
Mommy,
Mommy's,
mommy.
I love you. Mwah. That one is Bella.
Bella.
Hindi puro sa atin lahat. Thank you, Bella.
Turo mo ilagay sa flower vase.
Put in the flower vase, go. Put in the flower vase. There. Put in our flower. See? There. Look, go to Daddy. Put in the flower vase. Sabi ko na eh, hindi ibibigay lahat eh. Yung iba iniwan para sa kanya. Put it there. Put there in the side. Wow.
Apap.
No, ilagay mo na lang dito. Hindi niya yan ilalagay, Dad. No po, sabi ko na eh. Ayaw niya yan. Yan yung nakuha ko. Doon yan sa vlogs ni Coco M. Mga din yun, flowers, salasang din yun mga Zay. Na nakuha natin. Dera, be. Lutuin ko na yung munggo. Ha? Yung maliit? Bigyan mo siyang baso. Dali, magluto muna tayo mga Zay ng ano. Tanghalian. Okay na to, pwede na to igisa. Nagpapainit na ako dito para magisa natin yung ating munggo. And then, ito yung ating sahog. Yung harbat natin na smoked salmon. Alangan sa dili. Pero mga Zay, medyo paubos na nga yung ating stocks ng ating mga harbat dyan. Pero, sige lang. Laban Japan. Baka mamayang hapon, sana makaharbat tayo. Titingnan natin mamayang hapon. Baka may bagong bigay sa atin mamayang hapon. Kung ano ang mahaharbat nating mamayang hapon, tingnan natin. Baka swertehin, baka jackpotin na naman tayo mamayang hapon mga Zay. Eto. Ay, dami ako nakuha ng chips kahapon dahil. Praise God. At least, kahit papano, nakakadami pa rin. Eto, tapos eto, anuhin lang man to. Ganunin lang to. Nanang tawag nito ba? Himay-himayin lang. Ha? Dad, gusto daw ng bread nitong isa. Lutuin ko muna to mga Zay. Gisahin ko muna itong ating ulam. Kay tawag nito. Panghalian namin to eh. Ano yon? Oh yeah. Maraming ang words na ano yan, alam, lumalabas sa bibig niya na magugulat na lang tayo minsan. Ano na nung sinasabi na eh. Nalagay natin dito yung ating smoked salmon. Gigisahin muna natin siya siyempre. Isang magandang hapon na naman. Eto na naman mga Zay. Ang mag-iina. Gagala na naman kami. Mga ariba na naman kaming 3. Diara, maano yung dito ko. Magaspang, masakit mga Zay kasi kanina. Anuhan ako ng halaman na masakit. You have the key, anak? Okay, we're going out. Bella, where are you going? Yung si Bella, nakapalda. Nakabelt pa yan. Yung bigay ni Mami Jazz. Say hi, Mami Jazz. Say hi, Mami Jazz. Yeah. Hi, Mami Jasmine. Hi, Mami Jasmine. Dali. Hi. Dali. Baboy pa siya. Dali. Let's go. Kurik. Nakapalda, naka-belt. Kikit kayo. Sarap talaga bihisan pag anak mo babae, no? Kahit anong ibihis mo, eh. Bella, come here na. Bella, come in the car. Let's go. Where are you going? Bella, asa ka madto ka forest? Abay, me and Kuya Miggy going. No, not there. Bella, come. We go to the playground. Bella! Shh! Bella! We go playground. Bye! Tingnan mo tong batang to. Bahala ka dyan. Oh, we go to the car. Dali na, Inday. Ito, dumi ng sasakyan. Paanuhan ko to kay daddy nila. Daddy has to clean our car, anak. Grabe, get her, I will start the car. Kulit ni Bella eh. Yung yung magnet ko ng kahapon, microphone. Nilaglag dito ni Inday Bella. Nawala man mga Jay. Sige lang, okay lang man kahit mawala yung magnet nun. Kaya may clip man yun. I-on ko lang to bago ko puntahan sila. Ayun na, tumili na kay. Ayaw man yung sumama kay kuya niya. May sarili man din siyang agenda. Talaga si Bella eh. Dali, puntahan muna natin. Tignan ko kung nandyan. Kaya maliit lang din kasi yun. Yung magnet na yun. Kaso wala. Hindi ko rin makita eh. Ay, pag may anak ka talagang gala mga Jay. Come here. Kala ko nag-aaway na naman silang dalawa. Hindi naman pala. Mommy. Hi, Bella. Oy, kuchu. Hi, Bea. Hi. Kala mo ang tagal-tagal hindi nakita. What, Gi? Drama. Si Miggy. She's a drama? Naiinis tong kuya drama. Big boy ka na. But before you were like that also. When you were young, you were the same.
Mommy.
Oh.
We will go playground.
Yes, we will go playground. We will go first, Har. Huh? Mommy go. Where mommy go, Har? Mommy go, Har. But,
No,
and then...
go inside.
Yes, go inside. And then after we go Harbat, we go playground, okay? Say okay. The mommy will be jackpot. Say jackpot muna. Say jackpot.
Jackpot.
Yes, jackpot mommy no.
I might let a hater slide on a good day. I'm just trying to catch a vibe, can you feel me? Long as we living our lives, then it's okay. Everything is okay. I might let a hater slide on a good day. I'm just trying to catch a vibe, can you feel me? Long as we living our lives, then it's okay. Coach, everything is okay. Stuck at a point in my life where every decision's lethal. I've been working on myself cause I can't please these people. Throw it all up on the scale.
Wala man doon. Pero walang cup eh. Dapat may cup. Walang takip to eh. Nasaan ang takip? Wala man mga mga PC man ito mga pero doon. Walang bagong tapon doon sa. Hindi ko napuntahan doon. Walang bagong tapon. Kita ko na naman. Walang bago. Ito wala rin takip bukya mga zay. Hindi ko nakukunin yung malaking mug na walang takip. Dito, meron pa pala dito sa kabila. Tingnan natin. Wala man. Wala, basag-basag. Wala din dito mga zay. Bukya talaga si Dekari. Please, may bago tayong spot. Hindi ara, Inday Karya to the Green Gate Bean. Bukas talaga siya mga zay. May tingnan natin sa Green Gate Bean. Sana may ibigay sa atin. Di ara mga zay. To the Green Gate. Bukya man mga zay. Bukas nga, bukya naman. Plastic. Bella, mommy jackpot or bukya? Bukya. Alam niya, pagpasok ko kasi sabi ni Miggy, Lucky? Sabi ko bukya. Mommy jackpot or bukya? Bukya. Bukya nga, wag mo nang ipilit. Ay, mga zay, unsa naman lang yun niya tong life, ani. Nag-jacket ako kanina, tinanggal ko, mainit na. As in, 22 degrees right now, kaya medyo may araw. Puntahan natin si ABC Bean, tingnan natin. To the ABC Bean, sarado na doon. So, ibig sabihin, wala na tayong kalaban dyan. Ha? Dito, lalabas yung kalaban in case. Inday cars. Sus, wala yun pa rin. Same pa rin. Wala pa rin mga zay. Ganon pa rin. Di ara. May nanghaharbat din dito mga zay. Kaya tignan nyo, sinira yan. Di ara, wala. Bukyang-bukya talaga si Inday Karya for today's video. Paano kaya si Mrs. Rehabin ngayon? Ano kayang siste doon? Bella, mommy jackpot or bukya? Ha? Is mommy jackpot or bukya? Kumakain sila ng Marie at croissant. Nakatulog na ang bilaling. Hindi na makapaglaro dito sa playing ground kaya natulog man. Ito sa ating bin na hindi sinusukuan. Tignan natin anong meron dito mga zay. Sabi na hindi natin sinusukuan. Kaya nasigira pa kong kabukya. Tagaan ka ani ron. Wala din mga zay. Bukyang-bukya gyud ayun. Minsan talaga, ganon talaga ang buhay minsan mga zay. Hindi nga minsan, lagi-lagi na nga. Lagi na nga akong bukya mga zay. Dati na-miss ko tuloy yung dito pa nakalagay yung dalawang bin na yun ba? Doon pa nakalagay si Mr. Bean sa gilid na yun. Ngayon talaga, nilagyan talaga nila ng ng bahay. Pinagawan talaga ng bahay si Mr. Bean para kay Inday Karya. Ano man itong nakatapon dito? Wala, puro plastic man mga zay. Ang nakatapon dyan mga zay. Silipin ko doon si Mr. Suspense at si Mrs. Rehabin. Hindi ara to the Mrs. Bean. Buti naman mga zay. At bukas naman siya ulit. Kaya dito tayo papasok. Ang dami pa namang dumadaan-daan dito. Ayan. Uy, Pagtig yung bukya as in Kariya for today's video. Lahat na lang ay bukya tayo. Lahat na nga tayo. Bukya tayo. Bukya ang all for today's video. Wag gitay ayuan. Pero sige lang. Ang importante, bukas pa rin silang lahat. Di ara mga Zay. No, it's not there already. It's already closed. Doon kay Mr. Suspense. Wag gitaan ni mga Zay. Bukyang for today's video. Ang gagawin namin is pupunta na lang kami sa ang Calampi Park. Dadalhin ko na lang sa park itong mga bata. At Bella want to see the ducks? Okay, want to see the ducks. Doon kami. Manood na lang kami ng mag-duck tripping na lang kami doon sa ang Calampi Park. Oh.
Is it allowed to feed the ducks in Alang Kalempi?
No, it's not enough. In Finland, it's not allowed to feed ducks.
But in some
Bawal kasi
places.
talaga yun mga Zay na i-feed yung mga animals. Not even in other places. In public places. Not even, you know that birds in the beach, it's not also allowed to feed them. Di ara, Inday Karya. Ayun yung dati naming bahay, no? Maggala kaya tayo doon. Tingnan natin kung nandun sila lola doon. We go there, Gi. Gala tayo doon sa dati nating bahay. Dali, puntahan natin yung dati nating tinitirhan. Tingnan natin kung nandun sila lola. Bella. Ibaba ko nga tong ni Bella mamaya. Baba natin yung kanyang car seat. Linisin natin ito. Napakadumi. Miggy, give me her shoes, Gi. Yung puti na lang
Jelly
talaga.
sandals.
Kuya Miggy is here, ha?
Jelly sandals.
Yeah, the jelly sandals. Oh, giri. Nakatulog kasi ito. Ayan, nagising na. Mga isa't kalahating oras din yung kanyang tulog. Mommy is bukya. Huh? You put your shoes on. Yeah. We go there. We go there. There is grandma there. We say hi. Grandma, we say hi. Hi, grandma. We say hi to grandma. Maybe, what's her name? Alexandra? Your friend? Alison? What's that? You forget their names?
Elson,
Elizar, and
Leandra.
Leandra. Yeah, the friend. Maybe Fidati is there. But I know that Fidati
No. Fidati told me she lives
near us.
near us, yeah.
Yeah. Dali na,
Not
dali.
here.
Let's go there. Okay, bisitahin natin sila lola doon. Tignan lang natin kung nandun pa sila. But I think,
Park is under construction.
yeah, the Paibakoti Park is under construction. But I think, they still live there.
Mommy, a big guy.
Yeah, that one is a boken. See, there is a, doon. Meron doon, what do you call that? Bulldozer? Or, what's that? Excavator? It's a bulldozer.
I don't know.
Oh, let's go there. Let's go doon kay Lola. Let's go visit. See, what's the name of the Lola? I even forgot. Friend ko man yung dati sa Facebook. Bago kasi yung Facebook ko.
Something like a name.
There's a car. Come.
It started with a M.
I forget already.
Wait.
But, no. I forget also. But somebody lived up there already. I really miss this place. Yeah. I miss it, anak, because when we arrived in Finland, we lived here. This was our first home here.
I go if we lived here?
There, the Ricola. Where was that? There, Kolomakin, yes. I think they still live here. That one with the flowers up there in the second floor.
We lived up there, like.
Yeah, in the third floor. I think somebody is living there. See, yeah, the flowers. I forget her name. Here. But I think they're not living there anymore. Kasi, yan yung mga kaibigan niya eh. And then the first one, you know the Lola who hates kids there? Yeah. Let's just see. Ay, na-miss talaga namin mga day. Yung dati naming tahanan ni Bella. Do you know that we lived here before? Dito sa gilid. Lagi man yan na. Dito man yung lagi yung kanyang zucchini. Pero ayun na ha. Nandito pa nga nakatira yun si... Kalimutan ko tuloy yung pangalan niya. Ayan yung zucchini niya. Malaki na.
And also one time
Dalawa yung
I
zucchini
think I
niya.
saw a frog here before.
Yeah, there was a frog. Ayun, mga salad-salad man yan dyan sa kabila.
And then some kind of spider somewhere here.
Yeah. Ay, I miss this place. Diyan, we used to do grill there with Daddy, no?
Big.
Bella, you know, we lived here before. Yeah, that was our door code. You don't open, ha? You don't try because we don't live here anymore. So it's not allowed that we open. Wala lang. Nag-ikot-ikot lang kami dito. Hmm? Huh? Let's go there. Let's go. There are flowers. Let's go there. Let's go up here. I remember the name of the husband, but I forget the name of the ano.
Wife.
Yung the wife, yes.
What's the husband name?
Nawala na tuloy. Kanina nasa isip ko na yun. I also forget. Once again, I forget. Yes, this way. Yeah, they lived before in the second floor, but I think not anymore. Yeah, they moved already. Yeah, playground. Yeah. No, this building. This one. Yeah. Lumaki na yung apples dito. This one. These are apples. Lumaki na. Ang daming there's lots of yeah, that was there before already. And now there's lots of bunga na siya. Yeah, there's a lot of fruits already. Go there kay Kuya Miggy ka. Dito nuan tayo nag-vlog. Dito na nuan kami naggala imbis na pupunta kami doon sa park, ha?
Mommy.
Yes. Yeah, we used to live here. Huh? Flowers? You go up there.
Yeah, this is broken.
It's broken. Already broken because that was very long time na.
When I was 6.
Yeah.
When
Dali na, let's go there. Let's go there. Let's go back na.
second formal crush.
Huh? Second former crush? Yun naman si crush. Your first crush was Fidate?
And the third
Second, Leandra, and the third is?
big.
Who's the third one? Huh? Dami mong crush. Pag-sure diha. Bella also?
Bella, do you have boyfriend?
Miggy, don't say that, Miggy. Let's go na, let's go.
No.
Let's go there. Let's go in the other side. Oh, Bella? Huh? Bella? Do you know? We lived here before when you were not, yet. When you were still in Daddy's eggy. Why are you laughing? When Bella was still in Daddy's eggy. Bella, you know? When you were still in Daddy's eggy, we live here. Come here. There's a car. Let's go. Ano tayo? Nabangasan na yung tuhod natin. Ay, nako. Ouchie. Oh, show me, mommy. Oh, no. Yung tuhod. There is a bit. Oh, mommy will kiss it, mom. Come, mommy will kiss.
And put some
We will put, medicine. We will put cream.
Cream.
Dali. Oh, slowly only. No running, okay? No running, so no ouchie, okay? Kulit mo kasi. Oh, no running na. Oh, sige na, let's go there. Let's go see the ducks. Come, mama. Andiyo ko kawawa. Go see the ducks. Look, Kuya's school before. That's Kuya's Bakote before. Huh? Kuya used to go there in the daycare. Ay, no more na crying. Kiss ni mami, be. No more na ouchie na. No more na ouchie. Nasugat tuloy yung tuhod. Nabangasan kayo. Nagpencil man. No, running kasi doon. Ha? Okay, let's go. See lots of snails there. Okay na yung ating anakis. Yes, you didn't see? It's there, but no, be careful with that one. This one, that plant is poison. It's very itchy. I have that itchiness in my See, this one is very itchy. That one very ouchy, okay? Yeah, this one. You have to stay away from that. And this one also. Okay, very ouchy. Makati, sobrang kati. Pero mawawala din naman siya. Pero matagal siya mawala. Siguro, like yung sa akin, kanina umaga, nawala na ngayon. Pero lately lang nawala eh. It will take about mga 6 hours bago mawala. Yes, flowers. Let's go see the ducks there. Oh, be careful here. No running. No running so you don't fall down and no ouchie in your knees, okay? Good job. Only walking. Very good, Bella. The ducks is swimming there. Let's go find the ducks there. Be careful.
There's a lizard up there.
Really?
Daddy, why?
Why?
Mugget.
Yes. Sus, daming daldal, Bella. Where's the ducks? The duck is there, maybe there.
Duck up there.
No, the ducks are not here. Maybe on that side. In the, on the other side of the bridge. Ay, gusto na mag-English. Ay, hirap mag-English mga say. Mga anak ka na Englishera at Englishero.
Daddy, where are you?
Where are you, Ducky?
Daddy.
Did you see it? Yeah, it's there, it's there. We found them. Come here. Let's go there on that side. Yeah, there is the ducks. Yung mga dandelions, so nagliliparan. Wala na. Yeah, the ducky is here. Hi, Ducky. Yes, it's there. Over there, Kuya Miggy. Over there. Yes, Kuya Miggy. It's over there.
Look, it's so Daddy.
Hey, you saw the ducky?
Oh, look, you boy.
Huh?
Daddy.
I like that.
Daddy. Look.
Miggy, look. Oh, what did the duck do? Nagunsa man ang duck, be? Yan sa? Anong gawa ng duck?
Look, eat.
Eat! Oh, no.
Like this.
Like that? Nag-like that daw yung duck. O, paano? Anong ginawa ng duck? Like this? Ha? Doon sa ng duck? Oh!
Eat.
Hmm?
Eat.
Really? You're happy? Where's the other duck? There's only few here.
My dog.
No, that's not duck. There's only one. Oh.
Was your first vlog here?
Not really. I don't think, but it was most of the time here during my first year of vlogging. It was mostly in this area because we were living in that place. Dali. Oh, come here. Pinapasunod niya kami ni Miggy. Oh, come here, kay pupuntahan naman daw talaga yung ducky. Oh, mas-slide ka na naman. Is pulang kanching ka na naman dyan. Careful.
There's maybe the poop.
Careful.
Look, Mimi, Daddy.
Ducky. Hi, rubber ducky. Is it a rubber ducky or a real ducky? Hi, ducky.
In the pool.
Hi. Yes. Oh,
Hi,
look.
Daddy.
More ducky is coming.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, ducky.
Look, it's Daddy.
Tell ducky.
Wow.
Hi, ducky. I'm Bella.
No.
Tell the ducky.
In the doors.
Hi, ducky. I'm Bella.
There.
Yeah, it's Bella. Yes, it's Bella. Hi, ducky. I am Bella.
Look. One.
How are you, ducky? Maybe the ducky is hungry? Ay, natanggal yung mga nila, balahibo nila, nagtatanggalan. The duck feathers. They're cold, man. Let's go na. Kaya na si Ducky. No, that's a stone. Binabato mo na eh. Hindi na maganda yan. Pagalitan tayo ng mga oldies. Yung mga matatanda na
My
gagalit.
Daddy.
Yes, we go find more duckies.
Okay.
Okay daw. Let's go find more duckies. Duckies, where are you? Oh, find the ducky.
Jump.
Come. This way? Are you sure it's on that way? Baka this way ka talaga eh na. Bella, no na Inday. Enough na lang ga. Not like that, anak.
You're not a bird.
Tara na, let's go na. Oh, let's go.
Going.
No going daw. Bella, you will have ouchie in your knees again. You remember you have a ouchie in your knees earlier? Don't keep running. See? You will have a ouchie. Dali na kay ayan na, umaambon na. Tara na, kailangan ko na tong i-exit mga Jai sa mga bata kay umaambon na nga din. So yun, bokyang inyong Inday Karya. Pero okay lang. Ngayon si Bella, naipasyal natin dun sa dati naming bahay. At least nakita niya. But hopefully, pag nagkaisip na to, dadalhin din namin to para alam niya yung history namin nung pagdating namin dito sa Finland. Miggy knows that already. So, yeah, how we arrived here in Finland. And then, Bella, of course, all our kids will have to know the descent of their parents. Descent of their parents. Yung mga pinanggalingan natin, kung saan kami unang nakatira. Ngayon, hindi niya pa yan maintindihan eh. But, in the future, of course. So, yun mga Zay, kami magpapaalam na for today's video. This is your Inday Karya Thai finish dahil Thailander King Nanay at finish mo aking tatay. Ako po ay proud Pinay. Bye-bye!